Hi, so today I'm going to unbox the WellSpa IO, which actually is out of the box already. So basically, this is a latest launch in Malaysia, right? The ageLOC WellSpa IO, and well, you get connected, and this is an amazing device that I definitely have to show you. Okay, so it comes with the device. It comes with the body activating gel, right? That helps to do the magic on your body, and it comes with a body serum that has to save the magic on your body. So what does this do? This serum helps to firm, hydrate, help to smooth, help to tone, help to tighten your skin. Wow. On the body, my friend, not the face, the whole body. Wow. So it is a device where in this box it comes with a device, a wireless charger, and a quick start guide. So I'm gonna unbox it right now. So as you can see, basically it comes with this QR code where you can scan and then get connected, and you can connect the device to this ageLOC WellSpa IO new Skin Vera app. You can download this app. This is free, okay? And you know what's amazing about this? It actually has personalized routines that you can set for your body. You can track the usage. It has guided tutorials, and it also has other complementary products that you can pair with ageLOC WellSpa IO that will give you the best spa, beauty, and firmness result that you want. All right, so you can unleash your possibility with the ageLOC Vera today. So this is the top card, but you know what's inside? Yeah, okay. So inside is a quick start guide. So these are the indicator light, power button, battery. So it's a metallic notes. I love these notes a lot because this is like, the guasa that we usually have in Malaysia. So what it does, it actually helps with lymphatic drainage for your body. Yep, I mean it. Your chicken wings under your arms, and also the, what you call that? Your flabby tummy and your thighs. All right. So it's a whole body thing. I'm gonna do it for my shoulder later. Oh, waking up on the wrong side of bed is no fun, right? Yes, and this actually helps to soothe that pain, helps for recovery of your muscle as well. Look at the device. It's so slick, it's so smooth, it's so firm when you hold it. This is the part where you can see the way it's shaped. It snaps fitly into between your bones, in between your muscles and all that. Yeah, because why? Our skin is not like fully straight. So when you have this in a different shape, definitely it's going to cover all areas of the body on your skin on your body, right? So when you turn it on, can you hear that? And then when you turn it off, so that's the sound. Okay. Now, what's inside? It's so shaped so cutely. I just kind of look at this. It's a charger. You just plug it in, put this on. There you go. Yeah. So adorable. It's so AI formulated. It's so handy. My friend, you don't need to go to a salon anymore. Just get this. Let's test this out.